What's poppin', everybody? Michael Alder here from carpetexpertblueprint.com, bringing you a quick strategy sharing why you should be investing in misorder remnants and seconds remnants. Now, for those of you that don't know, misorders are just what it sounds like. It was a misorder and somebody has to eat it. So typically the mill or the distributor will put it up on the shelf and it'll collect dust for a long time. Now, seconds are carpets that are typically damaged in some form or another. It could be as simple as being the wrong color, like the dye lat's off, or it could actually be delaminating where the carpet backing is peeling off. Now, here's why this is important. You can't sell these to everybody, but the profit margins are absolutely sick. So look at this product right here. This is a super beefy, meaty plush carpet here for Zay Mix. I was able to pick this up for $3 a yard. I bought 200 yards of just this particular one, but I did a massive buyout on several bins. Now, here's how I approach this strategy. Now, a lot of the local distributors, they know me in the marketplace, and they know that when they're ready to liquidate and clear the bins, they could call me. We'll buy out everything on the spot, and we pay anywhere from $1 to $3 a yard, but we have to take everything. So a beefy rug like this, it was actually a weight issue. It was supposed to be a little bit thicker. The clients rejected it. The mill ended up eating it, and my distributor had it sitting on the shelf. They basically got it for free minus their costs, loading and unloading the truck. So they call up me, hey, we're liquidating all these bins, plus we had some killer product, $1 to $3 a yard, takes everything. Great. I write them a check, I get all that. Now this product here is something that we would typically sell for $38 a yard. If you go to Lowe's or Home Depot, they sell for close to $50 a yard. Carpet padding installation, the whole package, we sell for $38. I just picked this up for $3 a yard, so it's basically next to nothing. Here is my strategy for this. Whatever I invest in when I get these remnant buyouts and these seconds and things like that, I want to regroup my investment immediately. So this is just my strategy. You don't have to follow it. So let's say I drop $3 grand altogether buying out all these remnants. I call up my best investor clients first, and I sell them better products for their flip houses at regular cost. So a lot of times I'll sell them for anywhere from $12 to $15 a yard, carpet pad installation, but I'll give them a banger product like this, less than half the cost. They love it. Their flips look that much better. They give me cash right away. I regroup my investment. Once I'm whole, I go after my more retail type clients. So the clients that would typically pay $38 for this, I start reaching out to them. Hey, we have a product right now, $22 a yard, carpet pad installation. They're blown away. My margin increases from that, and I don't have to sell in quite a rush because I regroup my investment. So if you wanted to get involved with this, here's a couple steps you gotta take. And I noticed recently, carpet guys are insanely broke. You guys gotta start setting some money aside so you can throw it into these opportunities and start scaling your income. So that's a whole nother subject. I'll create a video on that. But let's say you got 3 to 5 grand sitting in a bank account, just collecting dust, no interest. You want to put that to work and get more money. So what I would do is reach out to all the guys that are controlling the commercial accounts. So like here in Cleveland, we have like Sherwin-Williams, commercial flooring outlet. You can go to those guys because believe me, they have overstock that they have to sit on to sell, and that's not their model. They're plug and play with all these rental units. So you go to them and you try to buy everything out, $1 to $3 a yard, you stockpile it. You could go to the bigger residential companies in your area and try and do the same thing. It might be a little more difficult, but still reach out, you never know. And then find out wherever the biggest distributor is in your marketplace, connect with them and try and buy out all their remnants that are sitting. If you got to rent a storage unit for $150 a month, do it. It's well worth it because the money is there. I mean, seriously, if you could buy these things for $1.50 a yard and flip it for install, $12, $13 a yard, your carpet pad installation, you're walking away $10 a yard selling, rental type properties. You're not always going to get your retail clients at this, but the investors, you're going to get your fast cash, 3 to 5 times whatever your investment is coming right home to you, and that's what you want to target. So feel free to comment below. I know I just kind of ranted this off, so if you have any questions, comment below. I'll be sure to reach out and answer them. I'll create other videos talking about how you could scale your income in the meantime so you could take advantage of opportunities like this. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.